typical Kawthoolei, Kawthoolei Abado Kawthoolei, Kawthoolei Samudo Kawthoolei, Lala Popuanino. Pascota could have Kawthoolei Tico Kawthoolei, could have Abado Tasola Pala, Tapuenta, a typical a clear at the new Pascota who were on it all.
We possess a complete framework for our nation, including the Kawthoolei map, the Kawthoolei country body, and the Kawthoolei government body. We hereby submit these Kawthoolei country bodies, along with documentation detailing the establishment of the Kawthoolei government and its governance, for your information.
According to January, yes, the Toku Yalusi for me, that the blame the George Shulidon, Toku Yalusi Queenie, Kawthoolei Rala Takalu the name. They plan out Taboba Rala, declare Weda Bakara, the Havasuga Cookler, Tatuga Kawthoolei, Tico the blame, Kawthoolei Badu, Linear Tosiko, TV Koga, Lameweda, or India Radio, Pakistan, BBC, VOA, Australia, Takasot the Nipa Rala Sukola, Tatuga.
Establishing of Kawthoolei independence and the Kawthoolei government. This significant event was subsequently reported by international broadcasting stations such as All India Radio, Radio Pakistan, the BBC, VOA, and Australian Radio.
January yeto kikto kishikuni. January yeto kikto siala.
Kishiku.
Kikto kishikuni. No like sunya. But Malak Pola Tapa Samunia, Pocamala Pogala, Tata Blamun in it all. Only more than a day, the block around a tele basara, Tata Tina, the Baba, but the yellow letter, the Bia, Pogelo Gila, was so for Tanino, Tata Blamun in Law Margaret. Letter for a Kito Kishikuni, January Yatani, Pocasara Malak Pogilamura, Kawthoolei, Tata Blamuni, Pogone Paluba Gado. Takasot America mege, VOA mege, BBC mege, Australia mege, Pakistan mege, Local Rala Nicodoba, Circuit of Photo blown away, maybe Takiani law, you are sorry America, Kawthoolei Community, Kawthoolei, Tiboka Community, America, may neither Kikto Kisi Yanni.
Commencing on January 5th, 2026, and in all subsequent years, we will commemorate Kawthoolei Independence Day. We respectfully request the assistance of American social media platforms and news outlets in broadcasting this occasion to a wider global audience. God bless America. Presentation of the Kawthoolei Karen people, United States of America, May 7th, 2025.
Thank you.